In a significant development in the field of international relations, India has taken an eminent step as it is set to host its first and largest multinational air exercise named Tarang Shakti 2024. The Indian Air Force on Wednesday announced that a total of 30 nations will take part in the exercise, which will take place in two different phases in the months of August and September. Air Marshal AP Singh said that India will showcase its military prowess during the Tarang Shakti through various renowned fighter aircrafts including Tejas, Rafale, Mirage 2000, Jaguar, MiG-29 aircraft and many more. This exercise will showcase India's and its major allies like the US, UK, France, Australia and Germany's military muscle to the notorious China, which was flexing its military power a few months back into the Indo-Pacific. The first phase of the exercise is from August 6 to 14 in Sulur, Tamil Nadu, in which out of 30 countries, 10 countries including the US, UK, Australia, France and more will join the exercise with their own fighter aircraft, whereas 18 countries will participate as observers in the drill. Meanwhile, the Russian Federation and Israel, which are India's two greatest allies, will not take part because of their own ongoing conflict in their respective regions. Additionally, due to ongoing political turmoil in Bangladesh, the country cannot join the first phase of Tarang Shakti 2024 and at the same time it remains uncertain whether they will participate in the second phase. Meanwhile, the second phase is expected to take place from August 29 to September 12 in Jodhpur, Rajasthan. As per reports, the IAF will deploy 75 to 80 aircraft for the mega exercise in both phases. If we talk about the technicalities, the exercise will begin with a PowerPoint presentation on the term Atmanirbharta, which means self-reliance, followed by India's military prowess and the development of indigenous capabilities and capacity. Air Marshal AP Singh said that the exercise is a landmark event in the history of the Indian military and the largest international air exercise ever conducted in the country. It is essential to note here that soon after this air combat exercise, India will also host the top-tier Malabar naval exercise with the other Quad countries including the US, Japan and Australia in the Bay of Bengal in the month of October, aiming to combat China's expansion in the Indian Ocean.